This is how you register an account with Luno. You would click the link below on our comments and you just go to luno.com and then you click sign up and then you enter your email address and then you will click sign up. To go and confirm your email, it will send you an email address, an email link that you need to confirm. So I already got mine and now I confirm. And then after it will say thank you. And then I'll come back to the same page and click I've confirmed my email address. Voila. So now you have to enter your mobile number and then it will send you an OTP, a 4-digit OTP. So after entering your 4-digit number, and then now you're ready to set up your profile. So then you'll enter these details to give them your location, your ID number, and then after having a profile, you can now start depositing money into your profile, or you can just buy or send Bitcoin or Ethereum from your wallet.